Hey, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? Good. Glad to hear it. Okay, I am going to be doing another unboxing here. This is the treasure tress. So I've done the treasure tress on my channel for quite a long time now. On and off for maybe 4, 5, no, even longer than that. I'd say about 5 years at least, on and off. I didn't do it last month because I can't remember. Can't remember why I didn't do it, but I didn't do the box last month, and I wasn't going to be doing it this month either because I did actually skip this month's box. Literally because I've got plenty of hair products. I didn't really need any more, and the kind of products I am sort of reaching for aren't always provided to me from Treasure Tress. They tend to do very much, or what they have done in the past, they have done very much the high street brands that may not have the kind of ingredients that I really like. They're more the affordable products now, which are now far more readily available for people with sort of afro textured hair, black hair, type 3, type 4, kinky coily textured hair, whatever you want to call it. But there's far more products more available now in some of the high street chains like Boots and Superdrugs. So which for me, as far as I'm concerned, that is brilliant, and that was one of the main reasons why I got the Treasure Tress. I subscribed to Treasure Tress in the first place because it wasn't so easy for me to get the products I needed. I used to have to travel up to sort of London just to sort of just pick up bulk products, and then Treasure Tress, I was introduced to Treasure Tress, and it was like, great, I can get products delivered to my door for £20. It's now £25 plus postage and packages, so it's £28.95 I think in total now is what we're paying for the box. So I kind of made a decision. I didn't need a box this month, and I did skip it. I sent the email, but I got the box anyway, so I need to check to see if they charge me for it. But since I've got the box for September, I might as well open it and have a look and see what's in there. So let's do that. So as I said, it is a monthly subscription box, hair box for people with what you might call type 3, type 4 hair, kinky coily textured hair. The box, you will tend to have 4 to 5 items in there, usually full-size items, and it's usually enough products to do a good wash day. So you'll have products in there, so you'll have a shampoo, you'll have a conditioner, you'll have a leave-in product, styling products, that side of things. So I expect to see a shampoo, a conditioner, I expect to see a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in spray, a curl cream. I wouldn't be surprised if there's another gel in there again, and another edge gel. I've got so many of them now, I don't know what to do with them all. So yeah, 4 to 5 products in there. And it looks like this month is a themed box, so it's going to be a takeover box, and it's from Camille Rose. This is a really nice brand. This is one thing I am not unhappy about. Camille Rose is a nice brand, and I don't believe, but please correct me if I'm wrong, I don't believe this brand has been taken over by one of those big conglomerate brands like Procter and Gamble or Unilever. Because when those brands take over sort of the brands, they start messing around with the formulas, and the products are never the same as they were originally, which is usually why we fell in love with the brand originally. So let's see what we got. We got the Camille Rose, so that's good. Camille Rose, it's a good brand, so let's see what we got. This is what the box looks like normally, and we just had the themed sleeve. Let's open this up and let's see what we got. And what I might do after this video, because I've got a bit of time and it's daylight, I might actually try and finish up my eyeshadow declutter after this. But we'll see how it goes. I don't need to worry about dinner because I batch cooked yesterday, so there's loads there. So there you go, that's the inside of the box. Okay, let's go. So we've got so they're saying here it's a Camille Rose. They're saying scan me. Let's see if the QR code actually does anything useful this time, because more often than not, every time I scan the QR code, it doesn't really give me any extra additional information, which is what I want, but we'll see. If not, I'll just look things up. Okay, we have got information this month. Good. Right, so let's do that. And it looks like it's 4 full-size products in here. So let me show you that again. We've got 4, can you see that? 4 full-size products. So that is good. So don't forget, this box is £28.95 if you subscribe to it each month. Right, so step 1 is should be this. It is. So step 1 is the Sweet Ginger Cleanser Rinse. This is actually a really nice product. I've used this before and it's lovely. So remove oils and product buildup while delivering moisture to hair strands. Reintroducing. They're saying reintroducing because we've had this range before in Treasure Tress. I can't remember if I actually got the box the month when they had it, but I know I've had this product before, so maybe I did get it before through Treasure Tress. But reintroducing Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Infused in the shampoo are sweet ginger and aniseed oil to nourish the scalp and hair. Perfect for all hair types. Drench strands in the shower and apply Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse shampoo, focusing on your scalp. For the babes, blessed with a ton of thick, dense hair, sections are your best friend. So when I use this on because I'll be using this on my niece Kayla, because Kayla's got very thick, very dense, very healthy hair. That's what I'll be doing. So when I wash her hair now, I just section it. So I do it into 4, and then I wash each section as we go along. Yeah, so using fingers or palms, massage your scalp to emulsify with water until hair is clean. Follow with your favourite Camille Rose conditioning treatment, also included in your box. I will put a picture of the product on the screen, that will sort of give you the average price of how much this product is sold for here in the UK. What I tend to normally look for is that my box value is going to be more than what I paid for it. So if I'm paying £29 for it, I want the box to be worth at least £45–50, you know what I mean? So that's what I look for. Right, next, step 2, which I think is this. Oh yes, this is a good hair mask as well. Right, first 2 products, really pleased with. So this is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask, and this is a nice deep conditioning mask. You see you can see the conditioning, you get the slip, it sort of defines the curls and the coils. Oh, it's lovely. This is a nice product and I like the smell as well. So step 2, this deep conditioner mask is infused with blue-green algae and mango butter to prevent strands from breaking, shedding and thinning. Sounds heavenly. It is. Packed with essential vitamins for healthy hair, enjoy a deep conditioning hair mask that moisturises and strengthens hair. Be generous, sis. Apply to wet hair after shampooing, again focusing on the oldest part of your hair, the ends. Leave on for 10 minutes, or if you're a rule breaker like us, then leave for a little longer. Yeah, an hour as a minimum, an hour. While it is working its magic to tangle with a wide tooth comb. So I use both, especially when I'm doing Kayla's hair. I'll use the wide tooth comb and the unbrush. The unbrush is just like a brush that it's like the Tangle Teaser but on steroids. It's just so much better. Don't know why it's so effective. Something to do with the design of the bristles and how they're spaced out, but it's great for just going through the hair softly. It doesn't tug, no tears, which is the most important thing, and it properly detangles. It's like the best thing I ever purchased. I mean, I bought my unbrush, I bought it from the States, but I believe it is now available here. You can buy it here, so hope so, because in the States it only costs between $8 and $11, and I think I paid $14 for it, including the shipping over, which is great. But when before it was available over here, when I saw it for it was like £28, £30. It was expensive. So if it is available over here now, the unbrush, so unbrush, if it is available here in the UK now, hopefully it's a more normal price for a brush. Anyway, while it is working its magic, detangle with a wide tooth comb. To take things to the next level, wear a plastic cap and apply heat for a minimum of 20 minutes, which is what we tend to do as well. Allow the conditioner to wash under a cool water rinse. I don't do the cool water rinse. Can't stand cold water in my head. I really can't. Next, we've got step 3, which is this. Right, this is a good box as far as I'm concerned. This softening leave-in conditioner for curly hair is made with macadamia nut and vanilla to seal and smooth hair. Curl Love Moisture Milk blends silky rice milk and macadamia nut oil to prevent hair breakage and nourish each strand. Use our leave-in conditioner cream after washing and cleansing hair. Apply evenly from tip to root. May also be used to refresh styles on dry hair that needs a boost in moisture. So that's wonderful. And then the final thing in the box is the... Oh, I don't think I've received this before. Oh, this is definitely new to me. This is something that I'll probably be using on myself. Actually, I'll probably use it on Kayla as well. So this is the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. Sweet almond milk and honey. Oh, this is definitely a new product to me. Using this twisting butter for natural hair ensures that your curls are properly moisturised and protected for twist out styles, braids, protective styles, buns and everything in between. On wet or dry hair, apply evenly with fingers while setting desired style. May also be used as a leave-in conditioner for thicker textures to get intense moisture. For beautiful twist out, section damp hair and let almond jai twisting butter set overnight. You're welcome, sis. Right. I think that is a wonderful box. Considering it cost me £29, I know I've got my value here. So unless the products are on sale, doesn't matter. I'm more than happy to pay sort of £29 for all these products. So we've got the cleansing rinse, which I love that. It smells gorgeous. It just smells gorgeous. We've got the deep conditioning mask, which I know is lovely. We've got the leave-in moisture milk, so we can use that as well. And then we've got the twisting as well. Wonderful. I think the only thing really missing would have been nice to have a spray, a hydrating spray, but you know, I'm asking for a bit much there, but it would have been nice to have one as well. But overall, I think this is a lovely box, so that's really good. Okay, so that's the Treasure Tress monthly hair subscription box for people with textured, curly, coily, kinky hair. And it's usually good value for money. I will put up the value, the total value of all the items up on the screen over here. So yeah, there you go. That's the box. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, take care. I will see you soon. Let me think now. If I'm going to go and do those, you can see them up there, can't you? You can see the eyeshadows up there. I'm going to brave it. I'm going to do it next. So that's the next video after this one. Take care.